himaltradelink Private Limited, Nepal's trusted generator partner. Q1. What are diesel generators and how do they work? Diesel generators convert diesel fuel into electrical power through an engine and alternator, ensuring reliable energy supply. Diesel generators and power supply. Diesel generators are vital for businesses and homes needing uninterrupted power, delivering high performance and durable solutions. Q2. Why choose genuine spare parts for your generator? Genuine parts guarantee durability, better efficiency, and adherence to international quality standards, protecting your investment. Benefits of genuine parts. Using authentic parts reduces downtime and maintenance costs, ensuring your generator runs smoothly for longer. Q3. What maintenance services does himaltradelink provide? Professional maintenance services, including regular servicing and original part replacement, to keep your generator operating at peak performance. Expert generator maintenance. himaltradelink's expert technicians deliver quality care, improving lifespan and efficiency of your generator. Choose himaltradelink Private Limited for new generators, original parts, and trusted maintenance services across Nepal.